Hey guys, this is Charlie, Big Charlie's Model Garage. A little bit of an update here. Got some more shelves put up using that drip edge that goes over doorways on buildings. Aluminum, comes in 10-foot sections. Real easy to cut, sturdy. They hold your die cast really nice up there. That's 20 feet of shelving right there, so just a couple screws there in the bottom will hold it. That's all you need for pretty near a 10-foot section, maybe 3 screws. So anyhow, wife and I took a holiday, three days. We was on vacation this week, and we went out to St. Louis, Missouri, see Opa at Opa's Diecast Restorations, and went seen Bill King. He lives out that way, WWK Diecasts and Models. So anyhow, I had sent some cars out to Opa to have him redo them for me, and start with this one here. Little Dodge 1500. It was orange and had brown muddy wheels. He painted it with the Tamiya clear green. Did the bed and painted the tires back up black for me. So got that one, and little Lesney ambulance he restored for me. Beautiful little car, great, awesome restoration there. He said I got lucky that the back actually opens up on it. He didn't have to do anything with that. The piece was still there. Yeah. This here's a Matchbox dairy milk truck. It had the black and white cow pattern on it, and it was all chipped up and damaged. He repainted it. He used some color changing paint. So, really nice job on it. And he did this one here. This is a Midge toy. It's an ambulance. He did that one. I like ambulances and hearse and station wagons, as y'all know, and he gave that one to me. I liked it. Did a beautiful job on it. And he gave me a little Tonka truck. Told me I had to restore that one myself, so one of these days we'll get to it. And I used my one and only Tootsie Toy dragster. He gave me one that he had redone. Yeah, that was pretty cool. Thank you very much, Opa. And last, definitely not least, got this Tootsie Toy. It was in really rough shape. Had tires and axle missing on the back. Tires are missing on the front. I found some white tires for it. This is from like 1930s. In really rough shape. My daughter found it at a local flea market and bought it. Gave it to me, and I sent it to Scott, and he restored it. A tow truck. So that's what we got. That's from Opa's Diecast Restorations. And we also got a card in the mail from Justin Hart, or J. Hart Model Works. Pretty cool card and great model builder. Thank you, Justin. Thanks for the kind words on the back. And that's about does it. So y'all have a great night and have a good week. God bless. Bye-bye.